Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 13th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we got hosed today. I mean, we really got hammered. But just talk about the Dow first. The Dow didn't get hammered. It did about what it's been doing all along and went up about 81 points. Started real strong here at the beginning of the day. Kind of tailed off toward the end, but it's still ending up 81 points, which isn't bad and certainly not showing any sign of weakness here. We just got killed. We ended up, we had like positive $7,000 on the close yesterday. We ended up closing out negative just over $20,000. That's right. You heard me right. Negative $20,000 closed out. We got into 10 new positions, 5 positive, 5 negative, and we're carrying negative $1,000 into tomorrow. So I'm not anticipating any problem with that. But yeah, $20,000 is pretty bad. Let me show you where that came from. This first one is just, I can hardly even look at the chart. This is so bad. This is HMNY, Helios and Matheson Analytics Incorporated. You know, we bought this thing 2 days ago, and it gapped up massively yesterday. We were up, you know, 10, 11, $12,000 up here, positive, and then it sold off all day. And I don't know. I think we had maybe $5,000 or so still positive on this. But look at this. Look at this. This is just huge. And when we get out here, stopped out down here right after the open, we're out $16,000. Yeah, you heard me. $16,000 negative on HMNY. And then we had another, and you know, trade that we had been doing really well in that went bad on us. Not as bad as that one. This is Riot Blockchain Incorporated. You know, 2 days ago we bought this thing. We got out yesterday with $27,000 in profits. And then we got re-entered within 30 minutes of that. And I just, you know, I was squirming when we got that re-entry. And my squirm was legitimate. It went positive for much of the day, but then we were holding negative about $1,000 there, and then it bangs down on us this morning, and $8,000 negative. So between those trades, yeah, we really got hosed. I will show you the only good trade we had was in Degaz Inverse Natural Gas. We bought this yesterday right out of the gate. We got out very nicely there this morning on a small gap, and we took $4,000 out of Degaz. Well, when the dust settled, we had negative $20,000 closed out. Not so good. Okay, if you think this is absolute horrible disaster, it's not. It's just some very tough trading. I looked at the last 4 days of trading since we got our new portfolio, and it's really kind of interesting. The first day we had positive $13,000. That's on the new portfolio. The second day on the new portfolio we had positive 5,000. On the third day we had positive 31,000, and today we had negative 20,000. For the 4 days, we're still positive $30,000. So this is just very volatile, wild trading, but we're definitely doing pretty darn well. So I'm not going to let this beat me down. That's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.